Education is a very important part in our life. First of all, it teaches us the problem solving skill, and it helps us to improve our skills and gain some knowledge. It builds our confidence and help us to achieve success in our life.
If you think going to school, giving exam and getting a degree is education, it is not. The actual mean of education is developing a child's mind, developing his critical thinking, and developing a skill.
Uh, when you are educated, you respect your parents, your teachers, your elder brothers, your younger brothers. There are many advantages of education. First, it helps us to increase our knowledge and gain practical uh, skills. And second, it helps us to get better job opportunities. And third, it teaches us discipline, confidence, and better manners and etiquettes. And education is not only for like passing like matriculation, intermediate, or a graduation. Education is like how to treat people, other people, how to treat a stranger, how to treat like your elder brothers, elder sisters, like anyone in all over the world.
Education does should not mean memorizing things. It should actually give an impact on your life. And if we see in India, the fundamentals are very strong. IIT, AIMS, these are genuinely world class. And Indian students go abroad and they really dominate in science and maths.
Treat very good when you are educated. Like I am a graduate person and I am a actually I am a professional cricketer also, and nowadays I am a cricket coach. And people, I respect people. People respect me. I feel very good because I am educated. My father is educated. My father is professional teacher. My mother is nowadays housewife, but she was also a teacher. Online education is very popular. In online education, the student attend their classes through mobile phone and laptop. It should have a good internet connection, and you can access the recorded lecture anywhere.
One of the biggest example of education is Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google. He did BTech, he did MBA, and he did masters in science. He actually developed a skill. So education should not be just memorizing thing. It should be learning skill, developing your mind.